In this quick video guide, I want to show you how you can use the Coinbase app to buy and sell Bitcoins, Litecoin, Dogecoin, well, not Dogecoin, but Ethereum and a lot of other cryptocurrency. So we already made a guide on how to do this on the website of Coinbase. So you can do this either with your phone or with your laptop or desktop. Now this is the official website here, but this time we are not going to see the website. We are going to go through the smartphone app. Now before we move on and check the app for the smartphone, please, if you want to join Coinbase, you have to create an account and register, and if you use this link that I will place into the description, we are going to get rewarded. Both rewarded, we will get a little bit of money, me and you, so you can support us and also get rewarded as well. So this is my smartphone right here, and I want to make it bigger for you. There you go. So to install the app, it's pretty easy, and let's go to the Play Store and let's search for Coinbase. And there you go. You can see here I've already installed it. Otherwise, press the green button there and you can install it. When you install it, you can open it from here or from the from your desktop. I will show you here the Coinbase icon. It's right here, so you can open it from here as well. And this is pretty handy because you have everything in the first screen. You can see your amount of money. In my case, I have bought Bitcoins here, and well, Bitcoins it's probably the best out there at the moment, but you can see here it's giving me some suggestions on the most recent coin here that are going up. So for example, this is Bitcoin Cash, which is related to Bitcoins, and it's going up as well. And we have a lot of other suggestions. So you can check here. Now you can see this is in Italian, but you will have in your language with all the news or the information. If you want to just transfer money, you want to maybe play a little bit, you want to invest, you want to do some financing, I don't know, but you have all the tools here basically to buy and sell Bitcoins and other cryptocurrency. Now if you check other cryptocurrency, they go up and down. Well, also Bitcoins go up and down. So if you buy when the cryptocurrency is low and then you sell when the cryptocurrency is high, there you go, that's your earning right there. But you know, it's kind of a job. I'm not an expert in that. I just want to show you how the app works. Now, if I go in the Bitcoins here, which is the one that I have, there you go. You can see it's going, well, this is one day. So at the moment they are going up. But for example, yesterday they were going down. So I started this with, I think, 48 euros. And right now I've earned like 35 cents. But you must watch this maybe in a year. So if I go here and check in 1 year, I can see that this went a lot up. Oh, sorry, this is 1 hour and this is 1 year right there. So this is the escalation, and this is the old period. So you can check for each single cryptocurrency. You can check the graphics there and all the information. So I don't know, let's say I want to go here to prices, and you can see that the overall market, it's going up right at the moment. So it's going up and down, but overall it's going up. And you can see here Ethereum here is going down, Ethereum 2 is going down, while these other are going up. So well, just Dogecoin here is going up, and you can just have a look to all these other cryptocurrency here to understand what's going on a little bit better. And well, it's gonna give you really a lot of information. You can create your wallet here with different cryptocurrency. In my case, I only bought Bitcoins, but because I was curious about Bitcoins at the moment, well, I could check some other stuff. And well, this is basically it. Now, if you don't have access to all this information, it's because you have to create an account. And to do this, you need to go to log in once you enter this application. Now, the first time it's going to ask you to log in or create an account. If you don't have an account, it's pretty easy. You just insert your personal details. You're going to send them a picture of your ID, and also you will have to have a bank account that you can connect in order to send and receive money. And this is basically it. So I hope you enjoyed this video guide. If you like it, please subscribe to the YouTube channel, and also leave your comments, suggestions, questions, and that's it. That's basically it. If you want to support us, please use the link provided in the description to give us a little bit of your support. And you also are going to earn a little bit of Bitcoins if you use the link at the bottom. So me and you are gonna earn from this. So it's not only a support for me, but it's also a small earning for you. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.